Welcome to Journey to the Cross, Step 2. In John chapter 1, verse 14, it says, "The Word became flesh and made his dwelling among us." Think about that for a second. What God leaves his throne to come down to an imperfect world, to live among human beings, imperfect people. As a God who loves us, as a God who wants to be in a relationship with us. See, the infinite became finite, the eternal became formed to time, the invisible became visible. So this week, you're invited to journey through the last days and hours of Jesus Christ. So right here, I have a pair of sandals, the kind that any ordinary man or woman would wear. So as you begin this journey, focus on what it means for the eternal God to become a man. Think about what it means that Jesus stood in these sandals, what that was like. That he stood here on this earth that we're living on now. Like any ordinary man or ordinary woman. See, the God who created the world stepped in to a normal, ordinary human body. So what I want you to do is take time to meditate on that mystery, majesty, and humility of Jesus Christ, the Son of God.